Do you enjoy bluegrass music? Well, if so, we have a tremendous opportunity for you. This wonderful opportunity is presented to you by the Milan Bluegrass Festival and the Jeff Tuttle Bluegrass Show on 98.3 Nash Icon and the Low Payment Kings.
Hi, this is Jeff Tuttle with Monroe's 98.3 Nash Icon. Well, we've teamed up to bring you the stories and the songs. Grammy-nominated Dave Atkins and the Dave Atkins Band, Saturday, October the 10th, 7 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time.
And the following Saturday, the 17th, we're presenting Steve Thomas and the Time Machine. There's a pay-per-view event. It's only $10 on 10/10/2020. That's this Saturday, October 10th.
All the details are at the MilanBluegrassFestival.com. Click on the pay-per-view concert series.
Or if you want to visit the Low Payment Kings, any of our 6 Low Payment King locations in Southeast Michigan, Central Florida, or Central Ohio, we'd be happy to get you a gift certificate and a code so you can enjoy this pay-per-view event for free. Brought to you by the Low Payment Kings at Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Winter Haven, Alfa Romeo Fiat of Winter Haven, Lake Wales Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Positive Park Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat, the Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat Superstore in Shelby, Ohio, and the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore in Monroe, Michigan. Join us for exciting test drive soon and get a free code to enjoy this pay-per-view event at no charge, courtesy of the Low Payment Kings. And remember, you can listen to the Jeff Tuttle Bluegrass Show every Saturday morning on 98.3 Nash Icon, or listen live from anywhere in the world online at 983nashicon.com. Join us for exciting test drive soon so you can take advantage of this exciting offer. Learn more at lowpaymentkings.com. Check out our Facebook pages, and you can also visit MilanBluegrassFestival.com/pay-per-view.